Welcome to Quick Tech News, where we keep you updated in the world of tech without wasting your time. Alright guys, so at least one of my predictions came true, and that is Sony has briefly showed off their new Airpeak drone at CES. The new drone is said to be the smallest drone capable of carrying an alpha camera from Sony and is designed very much around the purpose of content creation, videography and photography. The drone has 4 rotors and 2 landing arms which lift up when you take off with the drone so as to not spoil your shot. Now, they haven't shared many other details, so we don't know when it's coming, we don't know how much it will cost, and we don't know whether or not it will support other mirrorless camera systems, but what we do know just from the fact that it does rely on a separate camera is that this will be a high-end drone looking to take on more expensive offerings from competitors like DJI. I've said this in my last video and I stand behind it. I don't think the drone will be on the same level as a DJI drone. I'm not saying it's not possible, I just think for a first generation product it is very unlikely. On the other hand, Sony have some decent experience in cameras, and the Alpha series of cameras, especially the latest models, have some very impressive image stabilization built into them. So that combined with a good drone should make for some super smooth footage with great dynamic range and excellent low light performance. Interestingly, whilst showing the drone in action, they decided to capture some lovely, stable footage of Sony's VisionS concept car, which the company unveiled last year. Now, this car wouldn't be making an appearance if Sony just wanted to brush it under the rug and forget it ever happened, so it looks like Sony actually wants to bring this car to reality. Towards the end of last year, Sony started testing the car on public roads. Here the car is driving through Austria on some great looking roads in a very picturesque weather. The car has been further developed since its first introduction. They've added a number of sensors, bringing the total to 40, which allows for 360-degree awareness. They've added a dashboard-length screen, quite similar to the hyperscreen Mercedes has been showing off, and it seems like they've also added a driver monitoring system which uses a camera in the cabin to make sure that you're not falling asleep at the wheel. Now, whether or not this car ever goes into production, I don't know. I would like it to. For one, I like the design, and I really do like Sony as a brand, and I think it would make sense in today's day and age that tech companies would get into the auto industry rather than automakers trying to get into the tech industry. What do you guys think? Will it become a real product, or is this just a pipe dream? Let us know down below. If you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate it if you could like the video, subscribe and tell your friends to help get this channel off the ground. Thanks, and see you next time.